The CPIM-led LDF is taking out a protest outside the Raj Bhavan here in Thiruvananthapuram, the state capital, against the central government for not allowing a special package for the victims of the Wayanad landslide disaster. Now, as you can see in the visuals, thousands of CPIM workers, CPI workers, the left front workers have gathered outside the Raj Bhavan to take part in this march. It's a statewide protest that's been taken out by the ruling CPIM-led LDF to protest against the centre. In Thiruvananthapuram, it's taking place outside the Raj Bhavan. In the other districts, the other 13 districts, it's taking place outside the central government offices. Now, what the CPM is saying is that it's been 4 months since the Wayanad landslide disaster took place, and still the central government even now has not announced a package for the victims of Wayanad landslide disaster. It's one of the biggest tragedies the state has seen, one of the biggest tragedies the country has ever seen. So, still ignoring the people, the victims of Wayanad landslide disaster, is something that cannot be accepted. That's why this protest, the strong protest, is being displayed here against the central government. In fact, the state government has said that they've submitted the memorandum. They have made personal visits and met central government, ministers, including Prime Minister, but still the help, the package has not been announced for the victims of the Wayanad landslide. And also yesterday, the newly elected Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi, along with the other Kerala MPs across all the political parties, had met Home Minister Amit Shah, requesting help for the Wayanad landslide disaster victims. In fact, the rehabilitation is still not started. It's yet to begin. And what the state government is saying, that they planned a township model rehabilitation for the Wayanad landslide victims, and they expected the central government to support them to implement this plan, but that's not been done yet. Entire two villages have been washed away, but still no help has been provided. The LDF in a statement said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had visited the landslide site on his own and saw the destruction with his own eyes, met the victims personally, and still, even after 4 months, the package has not been announced. The rehabilitation is one of the major processes that's ahead of the state government, and to implement that they need help from the centre, and the centre, like in the past, have been ignoring Kerala during the time of disasters, is what the left has been alleging. In fact, the Congress-led opposition has also been protesting, raising its voice against the centre for not allowing a package for the Wayanad landslide victims. Now, it has been included. Also, there were protests for not including the Wayanad landslide, declaring the Wayanad landslide disaster as a national disaster. Now, it's been included in one of the severe categories of disasters, and there are expectations that in the coming days there will be help received. But till then, the CPIM-led LDF as well as the Congress-led UDF had decided to protest strongly against the centre. The Congress, of course, the opposition, the state has been alleging that the state government is also not doing anything. There also, the rehabilitation process has not taken shape. There's many more things that needs to be done, which the state government is not doing. So our protest is against the state and the centre, is what the Congress-led UDF opposition has been saying, but they left very strongly protesting across the state. The protest is led by the CPM State Secretary M.V. Govindan here. Before the Parliament session began, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan also called for a meeting of all the MPs of the state, asking them to pressurize the centre to ensure that a special package is announced for the victims of Wayanad landslide disaster, so that the rehabilitation can take place as soon as possible. With video journalist Tinku Rajshekhar, Shibimol KG for India Today from Thiruvananthapuram.